Do you love those sunglasses, Emma?
I
You love them? Say thanks, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Now, Mom, I think she wants. I think she's pointing to you that you give them to
I
her.
know, she's confused. Looking good.
Emma, she doesn't know how to say grandma.
Shaker. Shaker ball. Shaker. Shaker. Shaker ball.
You say Grandma.
Shaker.
Sugar?
Shaker ball.
Sugar ball?
Uh-huh.
What?
Like that.
What? Looking good.